yet. Ah. Jump. Jump. Yeah, I'm Ratchet, I'm so cool. I can jump while I'm grinding. So, let's get out of here to the next planet. Yeah, come on. Enter the ship and 22 minutes, yeah. Come on, Clank. La la la. We're gonna go Blackwater City, yeah. Come on, load. Boring. I wanna play Rilgar. Yeah, fall down. Thanks, get on my back. And now, where we are here, and we wanna go there, I think. Yeah. Whoa. So, do we wanna go there? Maybe. Let's go there. Yeah. Jump on it. And now, oh no, I think this is a place where, oh no, I think there the water goes up and, gadgets, no, quick select, yeah, so, we gonna change, what do we, that is so pretty useless. Yeah, sounds like a toilet. Can we shoot with it? No, we can't. Something special? No. Can't fly up there and up there. Now we're gonna... Something special here? Down there? I don't think so. Come on. Yeah. Get the special gadget. What's up there? Nothing. Come, go. Jump. Boing. Come on. And now we have to destroy that shit. Why did I change the weapon when I even use that thing? I don't know how it's called. So, now we gonna go down. Yeah. Come on. Camera, turn around. I wanna watch. Up there something? I don't think so. No, not up jumping. Forward. Come on. And now, I think this was pretty senseless. Like, haha, bitch. Why did you suck that water dry? You don't need to. No, just jump. Come on, stand up there. Push it in. Ah, what the fuck. So, and go down and fast. Come on. Don't die. Don't die. Yeah, we did it. Pretty easy. Come on. Get some balls. And something special. No. No! Stupid Ratchet. And we got 27 minutes. Oh, we should bring this to an end. Oh yeah, we're gonna slide down. Where are we now? Oh no, this is the part I think it is. It is. Oh no. Yeah, we have to run through that. Come on. I remember it. It's so fucked up. It's just annoying. Come on. Don't fall into the water yet. Come on. Jump. Jump. I could equip the weapon. No. Come on, faster. Come on. We can do it. We can do it. Oh, come on. Oh, we did it. That's the first time. Oh, man. Oh, oh, oh. Die. Haha. Stupid thing. Oh, man. My heart is beating. Because of this stupid part. No! The water is even... I thought it was it. No, I'm so stupid. No, can't go down. Oh, no, we're gonna die now. No, I thought it was over, and it wasn't. And now I'm gonna screw. Oh, so stupid.
When you're underwater, don't tap the X button. Push and hold the X button to rise.
Yeah. Come on, do it again. Yeah, that was stupid. I know it was stupid. And you all know it was stupid. Come on. Jump! Stupid guy. And why didn't I equip the weapon? Come on. And I thought it was over. But it wasn't. Fucked up game. Come on, faster. Yeah. Go. Go. Come on, up. Up. Come on. Come on, Ratchet. 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 Do it. Oh my god, it's there. Did we do it now? Oh yeah, we did. Oh man, I'm so stupid. Oh man, I'm such a retard. And 30 minutes here. And the beginning, a little cut, yeah. Come on, let's get that. Get that gadget. No, we have to pay that stupid guy.
Hey, press conference is over. Captain Quark don't want no more reporters bugging him in his trailer.
Oh, you see, my friend and I need to speak to the captain about a matter of galactic security.
You mean you and your walking camera? You paparazzi make me sick. Now beat it.
But sir, I'm sure the Captain Quark will understand once we...
Now, save it. I know how it works. You convince me to let you in. You snap a picture of the captain in his underpants. Then you sell a picture to the info tabloid for $1 million volts.
You've got it all wrong.
Meanwhile, I'm stuck here making 6 volts an hour, and I have to listen to a lecture from that cheapskate Quark. So you don't get in unless I get a kickback. In advance.
Yeah, 4,000. Oh yeah, we have that money. What are we gonna get first? So. Yeah, come on.
You see how it works? You grease the hinges, the door opens.
Yeah.
Captain Quark?
What's that?
It's Ratchet and Clank, Captain. You know, from the hub.
Oh, yes, I know who you are.
You do?
Yes, and thank the galaxy you found me.
Huh?
There's an awful plot being hatched to destroy our planets.
Ratchet, he knows.
Great.
Yeah.
Does that mean we can go hoverboarding now?
My friends, we're all in grave danger, and I believe that together we can put a stop to this madness.
Together.
Yeah, of course, asshole.
You want our help?
Look, Ratchet, I've been keeping an eye on you, and I've never seen anyone with such raw talent. You are a true hero in the making.
Really? You mean I could be famous?
Oh, absolutely. Oh, here, take this.
Yeah, Infobot. I'm so
What makes
happy.
one man toil in obscurity while another becomes a hero? Is it strength, compassion, determination, or just pure blind luck? Wise men through the ages have struggled with that very question, but Captain Quark knows the secret.
Yeah.
That's why he's been able to defeat more despots, rescue more damsels in distress, and save more civilizations than any other hero in the galaxy. Now is your opportunity to see if you've got the stuff heroes are made of. This infobot contains coordinates to Quark's secret base. Can you quickly conquer Quark's killer cannonade of confounded contraptions? Can you quickly can you quickly quick? Oh, just make your way through the defenses to the center of the base.
Yeah.
Prove yourself. Learn the secret and earn your place in galactic history. Consult your doctor before attempting any strenuous exercise. Not responsible for death or dismemberment. Your results may vary.
Yeah, bitch. Come on.
Meet me at my headquarters.
Hey, Captain Ratchet, what do you think?
We won't fail you, sir. We promise.
Yeah, guys. So I'm going to save here, cause oh man. So bye.